Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Maestra, Judy. I teach Bisaya Conversational Cebuano. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say, are you hungry? In Bisaya, we say, gigutom ka? Gigutom ka? The prefix gi here denotes action has been done. Gigutom, the root word here is gutom, which means hunger. The ka here is referring to you. Gigutom ka? Now, let's practice and repeat after me. Gi, gu, tom, ka? Gi, gu, tom, ka? Gigutom ka? So there are some possible answers to this question. This question is very, very common as well. Okay, possible answers, yes, which means o. O, gigutom ko. Okay, yes, I am hungry. Sometimes some will say, okira. Okira, that means just fine. If you want to ask me to go out and eat, it's also fine with me. Okay, okira, just fine. And wala means no. Okay, now you know how to ask and answer this question. Hopefully one day you're gonna use this when you come here in the Philippines or with your loved ones. All right, that's all for today, guys. Do visit me at my site cebuano101.com. Check out other lessons there, and please subscribe if you're very new to my channel. All right, thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video if you like it. I'll see you again next time. Bye.